Welcome back to Ask GM Financial. It is Monday, so it's time to get your questions and find you some answers. Hey, Angie.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm doing good. How about yourself?
I'm doing well. Alrighty, y'all. We are here with Angie in Customer Experience, and I have a question for you from Carrie in California.
Alrighty.
All right, Carrie wants to know, how do I register for an online account?
Alrighty, Carrie. Well, hi. How you doing? If you want to register for a My Account, you will need to log on to gmfinancial.com/myaccount. It's an easy setup process. All you will need is your GM Financial account number, which you will find on your welcome letter or your billing statement. If you don't have that, you can definitely call into us, and we'll be more than happy to assist you.
Thank you, Angie.
You're very welcome.
See you soon.
See you soon.
All right, guys, if you want to register for a My Account, go to gmfinancial.com/My Account, and you can get started right there. Any other questions, drop them right in the comments, and we'll get back to you. See you next week.